How do you pin YouTube comments? So YouTube comments are very important, but if you want to make sure your comment is at the top, or by someone who's really prestigious, or someone who made a great comment, you can pin it to the top of your YouTube comments. Why would you want to pin anyone's comments? We're going to tell you coming up. Hey, this is Dane Golden from Hey.com. This is a channel where we help marketers and brands and businesses just like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. YouTube comments are extremely important because people have grown a connection to you through your videos. And when that happens, they want to respond, they want to comment. And so you should hang out in your own comments. And so what you do is you be the first person to comment, and then you pin your own comment and that's a prompt to your viewers as to what questions you want them to respond to, what types of things you want to talk to them about. So you pin it, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So here's a recent video I did with Tim Schmoyer, and some people have commented about it, and I've commented on it, Tim's commented on it, and I can just pin my comment, pin this comment. If you already pinned a comment, this will replace it. So it says that only one comment can be pinned, and that means that my comment will now come up at the top. So it says pinned by Hey.com. And now if I wanted to change and maybe pin Tim's comment, I could do that as well. So now Tim's comment will come up at the top. My cameraman just reminded me that it's a great place to put links to other content. So you could, if you have another video or maybe even a website you want to show, you can link to that. Now, you can also prevent other commenters from doing links that you may not want to allow that, but it's okay for you to put a link in a comment. When you do a video next, you are going to do a comment and then pin it, just like we showed you. I'll see you in the next video.